Is it time to buy or sell Solmate stock? In this video, we will explore Solmate in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of October 2025, our system has ranked Solmate as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has underperformed relative to our predictions, with a loss of 53.3%. This equates to an average loss of 4.85% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this could very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend that has been broken, which is $11.53. This level may present a second opportunity for a breakout. According to fan theory, $13.80 will be the next possible peak level, potentially serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Our latest daily update for Solmate includes the headline, High Volatility in Solmate Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $11.62. The Solmate stock price fell by 3.33% on the last day, Friday, the 17th of October, 2025, from $12.02 to $11.62. It has now declined for 7 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 20.31%, with a low of $10.88 and a high of $13.09. The price has decreased in 9 of the last 10 days and is down by 53.3% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign since volume should generally follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 94,000 shares, with a total of 458,000 shares bought and sold for approximately $5,320,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.78, and the lowest price was $10.88. Currently, the price is 54.93%, or $14.16, below the 52-week high of $25.78, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Solmate. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Solmate stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $14.87 and $17.17. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 8th of October, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 39.64%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically should follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Pivots. A sell signal was generated 8 days ago. If we examine the chart for the past 12 months, we can observe. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Solmate. Currently, there's no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are right, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. Overall, the stock usually exhibits controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is deemed very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.21 between its high and low, which reflects a change of 20.31%. Throughout the last week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 18.56%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Solmate. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Solmate is at $12.02. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.81, which reflects a decrease of 6.94%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. The relative strength index over 14 days is 3, which further mitigates the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Solmate stock a good buy? Solmate exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it's a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it may be prudent to hold or accumulate shares while monitoring future developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 20th of October, we anticipate Solmate will open higher by 243/100ths of a dollar, starting trading at $11.86. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.